Ako, dito, lumaki ako sa Philippines, basically Quezon City and Makati. Ako, generation ko medyo nasa ano pa eh, may pagka-conservative, gitna eh, no? Yung parents ko are very conservative and maraming, natutulong sa amin, especially when it comes to religious stuff, I studied in Ateneo hanggang grade 5, then I transferred to Southridge, and then UANP sa college. Yung Southridge and UNP na-introduce naman ako sa Opus Dei. Hindi ako religious na tao, hindi ako gano'n. But then, I've learned a lot when it comes to my upbringing, kung ano ko ngayon, sino ko ngayon. They brought me closer to the meaning sa akin, kung meaning ng buhay, tsaka, which is God. I'm part also of the Manila JCs. It's an organization where you're trained to be leaders. Nako, childhood dream ko noon. Alam mo, hindi ako nagsisigarilyo, hindi ako umiinom, no? Dahil childhood dream ko maging basketball player. Pero syempre, malayo na. Lead ko, then hindi naman ako sa ano. But, actually, I'm a very simple person kasi happiness hindi naman ako, syempre gusto mong maasama yung mga ganyan. But then, I'm happy with my life. I'm happy to have a family. I have my wife, my son, and then may pamilya ko, nandyan. I think that's my dream is simply now, just to have a happy, simple life with my loved ones. Kung itatanong nyo after nung, syempre hindi na nag-work yung basketball, no? So, ang ginol ko naman, syempre, na-lead na ako. I mean, sabi nga niya, God will lead you. There's always a reason for everything, no? He leads you as long as you allow Him, no? So, ako, nilid ako sa, syempre, negosyo ng mami ko noon, travel agency. And then, hanggang ngayon naman, ginagawa ko pa rin yan. And, I'm glad to say I'm happy doing it. And I've helped a lot of people also. And yung goal ko is always, when it comes to business, not only to earn, but also to give service. Kasi travel kami, business. Diba? Masaya na makabiyahe bawat pamilya. Try to help them. Yung mga ibang kailangan tulungan mo, makabiyahe sila. And also one thing that has helped shape me, since you were asking me kanina, during one of my travels with another group, mostly Filipinos, a lot of them were from Guam. The Divine Mercy Group. Punta kami sa Poland, where we will visit the convent of Sister Faustina. And then doon natutunan po about Divine Mercy. How, yung dati, yung sinasabi nila naman, maraming nalalaman dito, 3 o'clock prayer. No? But more than the 3 o'clock prayers, yung mercy ni God para sa tao. And it has changed my life. I can say really changed my life because sa lahat ng problema, sa lahat ng bagay, yan ang inaano ko, Divine Mercy. And then sa buhay ko rin, syempre, pag everyone makes mistakes, but you always have to know how to say sorry lang. And then sa mga ibang tao rin, kung ikaw rin naman, nagkakasala ng ibang tao, marunong ka rin daw magpatawad. Safety. I think yung napapractice ko, no, but syempre mas malaki nagawa nila sa akin. Mami ko, dad ko, lola ko, Nelia Gonzalez, yung taga-UP siya dati. At 92, 93, she's still working, and most of what she has taught me, is to share whatever blessing you have. You work. Yung kanyang goal was, bigay mo lang lahat, ni bali nang wala ako, kasi bigay mo sa kanila lahat. Minsan nga, nagka-pera yung mom ko eh. She didn't even buy a single thing for her. Pero I see her sa mga they're very active sa mga foundations. So she keeps giving, and hindi naman yung pinagyayabang sa amin. Nakikita ko lang. Same thing, may lola was that. So I think what I've learned from my family, from Escalona, the Gonzalez was always learn how to share your blessings. And I think kaya siguro maraming blessings dahil na-share mo. Kung hindi ka na marunong mag-share, wala kang blessing. Ay, ganun eh. Ganun lang yan, di ba? Pero you don't do it to get blessings. It has to be from the heart. And I tell you, you don't have to make a value in a lot of people's life. One person lang. And it can, hindi naman lahat yan financial. It can be spiritual. Whatever you have will give you happiness talaga. Ako si Dick Escalona, galing sa business sector, isang nominee na aksyon dapat na isinusulong ang matinong gobyerno para sa komportableng buhay ng bawat Pilipino. Number 26, aksyon dapat.